let's make banana bread. Start with taking one banana, peel it. Mash your banana first of all. So we need one banana is enough. Now we will mash our banana. Smash it nicely. Now we will add 1 egg. We will use bitter to... So here we are grinding the egg and banana mixture. We will add the sugar. Now we will add remaining sugar. We have to work in 3 parts, okay? Now we will grind it again. We will add another batch of sugar. With this we will use essence. I am using chocolate one. You can use vanilla also. I don't have vanilla, so I am putting chocolate, okay? You can use, vanilla is better than chocolate. Okay, so in flour we will add baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon, okay? 1/4 teaspoon should not be like this. It should be like this, okay? Baking soda, and we will need soda and baking powder. Baking powder. Baking soda and baking powder. Okay. Cocoa powder is optional. If you want to add, you can add cocoa powder. So we use 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. 1 and a little bit more. Okay, so we have to add a pinch of salt. Now gently mix this all together. Okay. Give it a good mix. Everything went well combined. This is our eggs. Okay, now we will put half batter into it. We will mix it up. Okay, I want a little bit more cocoa powder. If you want more chocolate, you can add more cocoa powder. Okay, so I want little bit more cocoa powder. I will add little bit more because it's little bit pretty dark, no? It will look good and taste also it will better. Now gently mix it all together. Make a nice. Okay, if it's too thick, you can use milk. Okay, we will use it. For this we will convert at 150. Select and we will go with 20 minutes. 15 minutes, okay? More.